Good evening, students. So, there's a doubt clearing session for the last session we have for marketing management. So, we'll wait for everyone to join. I think if you have any query, you can ask the doubts, please. Okay, we are waiting for others to join, please. Okay. Yes, to Mr. SR, any query you have? You have joined the session actually for marketing management doubt sessions. If it is so, please do let me know.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening, yes, sir.
Is there any query?
Sir, I want to say that will it be possible that we have Saturdays no classes?
Yes, definitely. See, this is an optional class for you actually. Okay. It's an optional class. If you have any query, you may join. If not, definitely we directly will meet on Monday.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Because I have one course, sir. I have to attend one course from 5:30, but yesterday I forget to inform you.
No, it's okay, ma'am. Completely fine. Because usually the core classes is from Monday to Friday only. Okay, Saturday we have an optional class for
Okay.
doubt clearing only. Yes. So you may leave him and like no issues at all.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, so we'll catch
Sir,
you on
right
Monday.
now, though,
What's
I
your name?
have no queries. Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
What's your name?
Okay. Sir, Sushmita Roy. Sushmita.
Okay, Sushmita. Yes.
Yes,
Understood.
sir.
I
Yes,
remember.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Take care, Sushmita. Okay, so we'll catch you on Monday then.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you so
Thank you
much,
so
sir.
much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
So any more doubt? I think no one has joined yet. I think I should wait for a few more minutes. If no one will come, definitely sign out for the session. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So usually people don't come on Saturday because it's a doubt clearing session. So those who are having any doubt, they only come for the sessions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, students. So I think Diljit has joined, NVKA, and some unknown name actually I can see now. So guys, if you have any query from the last 2 sessions of marketing, please let me know. Yeah, Shivam has also joined now. Hanji. So Shivam, NVKA, and V2022, Mr. Diljit as well. Okay. Any query? I think to anyone? Students, I hope so. I'm audible to everyone, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Because this is a doubt clearing session only. So if you have any query from because we had already done only 2 sessions till now about marketing management, and every week we have the Saturday that is doubt clearing session. Okay. So whatever we'll discuss in a week for a particular subject, we can discuss as a doubt on Saturday only. Okay. So Mr. Diljit, Shivam, SR, I think having no query, V2022 in NVK. Any query to anyone, I think, from the last 2 sessions of marketing?
Sir, actually the thing is that yesterday I missed my class. So can I get the presentation or any of the things which I can read
Recorded
again?
lectures are already there on IIBM website or IIBM YouTube channel, not website.
Okay.
Okay, so you can access from there.
So from where I can find out the second lecture or whatever you have taught in the last previous
In
classes?
IIBM YouTube channel only.
Sorry?
IIBM YouTube channel only.
Okay. So sir, there is it is given in session wise, sir.
Yeah, session wise. Yes.
Okay, fine.
But if you have any query, you can just text me on my Instagram. That is Ankit Walia 20. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, means your last 2 sessions will be available on YouTube, sir. Means
Yes,
marketing
yes.
management session 1, session 2.
Yes. Even I think
Okay.
so. Last session might not be uploaded. Let me check. I think even for you.
Sir,
Can I get the URL of that?
Pardon?
Sir, can I get the URL of that? So just because
Yeah, that's what I'm showing you. Just a minute.
Yeah, please.
It is youtube.com. You will go for searching of IIBM over here. Okay. So IIBM Business Institute of Business Management. Okay, you will just see this line. After that, you might see these lectures. Yeah, this is a marketing lecture. Marketing management first and marketing management second lecture.
Okay, fine.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So answer if I will have any query related to this lecture, so from where I can
see, you can do one thing I told you. You just approach me through Instagram. I think so. That is far better. You can just note down my ID. That is Ankit Walia 20. Okay. You can
Ankit Walia 20.
20, yes. On Instagram, you just ping me. I'll help you out. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Everyone, please.
Ankit Walia.
Yeah, Ankit Walia. Yes. ANKIT WALIA 20.
What is this, sir? This is your
Instagram ID. Yes.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, this is your
Instagram ID. You can just text me. Okay.
Instagram ID.
Yes.
Is there? Do you have any WhatsApp ID, sir?
WhatsApp number I can provide you.
Please share me, sir, because I'm. Oh, sure. Thank you.
Yes. It is my Insta WhatsApp.
It's Satyan Bosi.
99260
29096.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, pardon, sir. Can you repeat again?
It is on the screen. You can see that. Either you can just ping me on that ID or you can just WhatsApp me. It's on my screen. You can see that.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please, it will be very kind of you if you kindly mail us the authors and book names of sir organizational behavior and marketing management.
Yeah, OB, I think you can go for Ashwathapa, Ashwathapa, that is OB. Then Kotler for marketing, and M. Y. Khan for finance. That is for financial management.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Okay,
Please,
sir.
anytime, like I told you, anytime if you have any query, I would be more active on Instagram actually. So you can just approach me on Insta. I think it's far better because you can also attend my few live lectures as well over there or any general topic discussion. Okay, so far better for everyone to reach over there.
Okay, sir.
Clear? Perfect. So any
Yes, sir.
doubt to
Thank
anyone
you, sir.
from the last two sessions? Yeah, with pleasure always.
Sir, actually, I missed the first session of marketing management. So in these 2 days, I will study, and if I have any question, then I will ask you on Monday.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes. Okay.
So
Thank you, sir.
any query to anyone else now?
Sir, till now we haven't.
Okay, perfect. So always remember, student, Monday to Friday we have a core discussion on the topic with case studies, activities, and all. Saturday we only have doubt clearing session.
Sir, one thing I must ask you from you. Sir, yeah, day before yesterday, you said to us that you will share the case study prior to the lecture. Yesterday, you didn't say that.
Yeah, yesterday I think we didn't discuss the case study. That's why.
Okay.
Yeah, actually. So
Sorry,
whenever on a particular day, if we have any case study, I'll share in advance with you. Okay.
Okay.
Perfect. So any more doubt? I think students.
No, sir. So.
No. Perfect. So thank you so much, and we'll catch you on Monday.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, students.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you.